Do condoms really protect against STIs? Have you ever wondered if condoms truly protect against sexually transmitted infections? The answer is yes, but with some important details to consider. Condoms are a widely used barrier method that significantly reduces the risk of acquiring and transmitting many sexually transmitted infections when used consistently and correctly. However, they do not provide complete protection against all STIs. Male latex condoms are particularly effective. They act as a physical barrier that prevents the exchange of genital fluids, which is how many STIs, like human immunodeficiency virus, gonorrhea, and chlamydia, are transmitted. Research shows that when used properly, condoms can reduce transmission rates by more than 90% for these infections. Condoms also lower the risk of acquiring other infections such as syphilis, genital herpes, trichomoniasis, and human papillomavirus. However, it is important to note that for infections spread by skin-to-skin contact, like herpes and syphilis, the protection is not as complete. This is because condoms may not cover all areas that could be infected. To maximize protection, it is essential to use condoms correctly and consistently. This means wearing them during every sexual encounter. If condoms are used incorrectly or not used at all, the risk of breakage, slippage, or leakage increases, which can lead to the transmission of STIs or unintended pregnancies. Female condoms, which are designed for internal use, also help reduce the risk of STIs during vaginal sex. However, their effectiveness in anal sex is less clear, and more research is needed in that area. While condoms are the best widely available option for reducing STI transmission, they do not offer absolute protection. The most effective ways to prevent STIs remains abstaining from sexual activity or being in a mutually monogamous relationship with an uninfected partner. In summary, condoms are highly effective tools for STI prevention, but they are not perfect. Their protective benefits are maximized only with consistent and correct use. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on sexual health and contraception options.